Hey, thanks for joining us again today. Today we're at Autosport in Indiana, Pennsylvania. If you've been following us for a while, you know we do a lot of Miatas, a lot of Mustangs, a lot of Corvettes. Look no further. This is a 99 Mazda Miata, 48,000 miles. We just had brand new tires, brand new wheels, the air conditioning system serviced. This car's ready to go and enjoy. And again, only 48,000 miles, so it's just getting broken in. And it's a 5-speed manual transmission, leather seats. These are excellent cars for the money. They're fun. You can take them out, enjoy them for a few years, generally get your money back when you're done. So again, it's a 98 with 48,000 miles. We're going to do a little walk around. If I miss anything, feel free to call me, text me. I'll do an individual FaceTime walk around with you. That way, whenever you buy the car, whether you're coming in to look at it or get it shipped to your front door, you know exactly what you're getting. So again, we're not talking 2025 model. This is a 99, so there's going to be a couple little things here and there. But overall, this car is very nice and well maintained for the year. Again, it's a 2-owner, clean Carfax. So we'll start in front as we always do and work our way around. Front bumper is really nice and clean, along with the headlights. These headlights can get yellow over the years from age. Obviously, this car was garage kept. There's no sun fade or anything like that showing on it. Couple very minor chips, nothing you're going to get excited about. Again, it's to be expected on a 99. I don't see any dents or any really big marks in the hood. Same with the windshield. The glass is nice. Header bar, nice and clean. So is the seal going around it. New inspection and emissions done. So that way, whenever you get the car, you know that it'll pass your state. Should have no issues. Going into the driver fender, door, quarter. Everything looks nice. I don't see any, dents or scuffs sticking out. This is a factory chip guard on the bottom and along this lower rocker panels. Nice and I guess you'd call it sharp. A lot of these cars have rust issues. This is not one of those cars. It's all nice and solid the whole way around, as well as the underside of it. Going into the quarter panel, deck lid, rear bumper, and passenger quarter. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, I mean, it's really nice the whole way along here. It's not all dented up on the back. There's no signs of like a luggage rack or anything being on the back. Looked like the back bumper might have been painted at one point, a little bit of dirt, but you're not going to get excited about that. The paint match is perfect. Again, it is a clean Carfax. Going on, actually, if you want to stay back there, I'm not going to lock it up fully and everything, but you can see this convertible top's obviously been replaced at one point. It's in excellent condition. Plastic window, doesn't show any haze or fading to it. Seals, everything looks to be good. And same thing on these. These are real easy to operate. Nice car. Again, brand new wheels and tires. There's 1, 2, 3 dents in the quarter panel that I'm seeing here. Again, up inside these fenders is really nice. There's no rust or anything to worry about. Driver door or passenger door, passenger fender. Again, little scratch here. That's probably about 6 inches long. Probably not even going to notice it in the video, but I'm just telling you it is there. Same with this lower chip guard. Nice and clean along the bottom. Super solid. Kevin's going to stand back. I'm going to open up the interior and go through it with you. Again, it does have leather seats. Also put brand new carpeting in this car. For some reason, it just had a little more fade than I liked, so I did put brand new carpeting in it. The dash, the console, I believe this is an LS, but don't quote me. It has Bose stereo. No kind of dash lights on that you have to worry about. I'll fire it up. Again, 5-speed manual transmission, Bose stereo, AC. Not my favorite choice of music, but the radio is working fine. There's all your turn signals. Again, no lights on to worry about. Does have cruise control, power windows on both sides, working, power mirrors. Let's see here. Does have, just look like the one key, but they're just like a plain Jane key, so you can get a new one at Probably Lowe's at one of those key vending machines. All right, going under the engine bay. This is usually the first place I look on these cars. Really, really nice under here. Down in here, you can see the tray is just like factory, really. The aluminum finish is nice and clean as it should be. But like all this brass and all the fittings, that just shows that this car's been really well kept and cared for, because a lot of times those are going to age and change color over the years. Plastic's all nice. Even the underside of this hood looks nice, as stupid as that sounds. But again, if you're looking for a fun car that's not going to break the budget, these are super reliable cars. And the guy that I have go over these used to race these. He's been through these cars inside and out. He knows what to look for, knows what's going to need done. Again, you can see the Carfax on our website. It's available at Autosport in Indiana, PA, and we'd be glad to do whatever we can do to get this guy in your garage. So have a good day, and thanks for watching.